Members of Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong (MECS) and Shillong Manipuri Students Union (Smsu) took out a protest against the demolition of Manipur Rajbari in Shillong today. The controversial demolition has been widely condemned as an act of cultural and historical desecration. The historic Manipur Rajbari at Redlands, a colonial era structure which is over 95-year-old, was demolished on October 8th. Speaking on the sideline, convener of MECS and Munish alleged that the demolition was conducted under directives from senior authorities in Manipur. He maintained that Planning and Development Authority (PDA) and Art and Culture Department are responsible for the decision. Calling the act insensitive, he asserted that the Manipur Rajbari was not just a building but a soul of Manipur's identity. He also demanded immediate dismissal of PDA officials and caretakers responsible for the demolition. MEC has also demanded reconstruction of Rajbari using the same design and as much of the original wood and materials as possible, and also appealed to the Meghalaya government to include the bungalow in official heritage status.